This video shows where you can download RFEM 6 and how to install it. We will install the 90-day free trial version as an example. You can find a summary of our software in the products section of our website. And then by clicking on RFEM 6, this will open the product page. This page provides a lot of information about the program, which is divided into sections. You can find these sections in the menu on the left. In the window on the right, you can contact our support team for free, purchase RFEM, and download a full 90-day trial version. This allows you to test the program functions for 90 days without any restrictions. So first we will click on Start your free 90-day trial today. Now click on the download button in the RFEM 6 trial version area. Fill out the online form and you can start the installation right away. If you do not yet have a Dlubal user account, one will be created automatically when you fill out the online form. You will receive the access data by email. If you already have a Dlubal account, you can log in to the program with your existing access data. This account is required to log into RFEM 6. Our program generation is equipped with an online authorization system based on Dlubal accounts for flexible use worldwide. In the meantime, I'll show you where you can find our software manuals on our website under Downloads and Info, and then we'll click on the online manuals. Here you can find a list of online manuals for our programs and click on the one you need. The structure of the online manuals is clearly divided into chapters and tabs. Using the tree structure on the left, you can expand the desired chapter to see the content, and then further up there's useful search functions where you can find specific terms more quickly. Before installing, make sure that you have administrator rights. Start the installation by double-clicking on the downloaded file. Select the desired language in the Start dialog box and then follow the instructions from the wizard. When asked to define the template settings, select your language and region, along with the unit system that you would like to use. This controls the preset standards, materials, sections, and units. After the installation, you can log into RFEM with your user data. The license configuration shows which modules have been licensed. The Dlubal Center is also new in RFEM 6. Among other things, it manages the projects and model files that you have in one central location. Detailed information and graphics facilitate the assignment of models for quick order processing. Additionally, customer data, including the licensed programs and add-ons, is organized in the Dlubal Center as well. The My User Data category manages customer data such as addresses, licensed programs, and add-ons. Moreover, you can directly access the Dlubal website to learn about what's new, access online services like the GeoZone tool, and use the FAQ database. You will find the same layout on the website when you log in with your user data. Now we have successfully installed RFEM 6 and you can start the online course. Have fun!